What legally defines a parent in LGBTQ plus child support? Imagine trying to figure out who is legally responsible for supporting a child when love and family bonds are so complex. That's what we're exploring today. When it comes to LGBTQ plus families, the rules about who is considered a parent can be different from traditional families. The key is legal parentage, which is what the law recognizes as the official relationship between a parent and a child. This can be established in several ways. First, if a person is biologically related to the child through birth, they are automatically a legal parent. Second, if a person adopts the child legally, they become a parent in the eyes of the law. Third, a court can declare someone a parent through a judgment called an adjudication. Without one of these steps, a person cannot be required to pay child support, even if they are biologically related. In LGBTQ plus families, laws have become more inclusive. Many states now have gender-neutral laws that recognize parents regardless of gender or sexual orientation. For example, if a same-sex couple is married and the child is born during the marriage, both partners are usually recognized as legal parents. If the non-biological parent wants to be recognized, they often need to adopt the child or get a court order called a parentage judgment. Some states assume that a spouse of the birth parent is a legal parent, which applies to same-sex spouses as well. If a non-biological parent has not taken steps to establish parentage, courts generally won't requiring them to pay child support. Once parentage is legally established, child support obligations follow. For example, if a sperm donor is involved but has not legally agreed to support the child, they are not responsible for child support. If LGBTQ plus parents separate, courts follow the same rules as for opposite-sex couples once parentage is clear. It's important to note that paying child support does not automatically mean having custody rights. These are separate issues. Courts also use laws like the Uniform Interstate Family Support Act to enforce child support across state lines. From a modern fatherhood point of view, it's vital for LGBTQ plus fathers to secure legal parenthood early. Doing so protects their rights and responsibilities, including the ability to support their children financially. Establishing legal parentage helps ensure they are recognized by the law, which is essential for being involved in their child's life. It also helps avoid disputes and provides stability for the child. So, understanding what legally defines a parent is a big step toward making sure everyone's rights are protected in these new family arrangements.